I don't know why I find this so interesting that a bird found a little piece of plastic party flare and incorporated it in their nest. It's almost like the natural world meets fake plastic Asia or something, and the modern influence on it. But I don't know, I find it interesting. Somebody else would find it interesting. Somebody else's partner probably wouldn't, unless she's still eating her cereal and stalking someone's page. Then maybe she would find that to be interesting for the day. Anyways, just reminds me of how inappropriate the situation is, and what a ripoff the whole thing is, and how somebody out there can be so perfect for you. Yet, ... question mark, question mark, question mark. Nothing.